Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban knife style and jungle survival. Today we're going to have a look at a wallet that I use for hiking, camping and bushcraft, and we'll also check out some morale patches. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so by hitting the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. It will really help the channel out. Thanks. The wallet is made from 1000D nylon and is water resistant. It is available in black, tan and green. I later discovered that this seems to be a copy of the Vibrate VE1 pocket organizer, which is made from 500D polyester and retails for about US $20. But let's review this wallet for what it is. The cost of this wallet ranges between US $2 and $5 on AliExpress, depending on the seller and depending on prevailing currency conversion rates. For my purposes, it holds my waterproof notebook. So that slots in over there, as well as my pen, and this pen holds the Fisher's Write Anywhere ink cartridge. So this goes in over here. I don't really use anything in these pockets. You could of course put a flashlight if you like and other things, but I don't. This is basically kind of my wallet, so I do also put money, my ID, also my house keys when I go out. So I transfer it from my EDC and I'll put it inside over here. So for what I need, I think this works pretty well for me. I should mention there are two loops over here, and this came with a strap, which I didn't bring along for this recording, but you could attach it. I believe it's just small carabiner hooks which hook onto this. It's a bit of a paracord, and you can wear it around your neck if you like. So it is probably pretty big for a regular pocket, but this will fit into a cargo pants pocket very easily. Or you can wear it around your neck, or as I do, I put it in my pouch. There's also a Velcro strip over here on the back, and that is where I attach my morale patch, and this is the one I use for this wallet. So it is functional, as it states my blood type, and that can be useful in an emergency situation. So this is a good transition to talk about morale patches. So what are morale patches? A morale patch is basically a Velcro badge that attaches to any corresponding Velcro strip. Now, there are thousands of options for morale patches, and they can be a form of identification and can reflect an organization, military vocation, country, or brand. A morale patch can also depict an activity or skill, such as a first aid badge, navigation, knotting, or shelter building. They are just like scout badges. There are also novelty morale patches, which may have funny quotes or images. So here are a couple of morale patches that I have. So talking about functional ones, or ones that kind of show activity, so this goes on my bushcraft cook kit, so that's fire and obviously representing food. I've also got one on my compass pouch over here, so that's very obvious what it is. This is where I keep my Kaminga lensatic compass, and also I've got a Leatherman tool over here, that's the squirt. So these are functional, I think, or at least they show off activity and kind of identify what the items are. But there are also fun morale patches. I've got a few over here. This one actually goes on the back pouch, my administrative pouch of my belt currently. So it's a SAK Saturday, right? So SAK for Swiss Army knife. That's pretty nice. We've got a fixed blade Friday, so I can only use this on Friday. And then I've got a bushcraft and EDC patch as well. So as you can see, there are different ones. They come in different shapes, different sizes, but pretty good fun. Now, just based on the name, the purpose of the morale patch is to make you feel better when you're out in the field. If you feel depressed out in the jungle, you're supposed to look at the morale patch and it will lift your spirits up. I'm still depressed. Jokes aside, I think morale patches are a great form of expression and can be used for identification and differentiation of gear. Gear can be quite uniform looking, so a patch can be used to break the monotony of the design and make your gear stand out. It can also serve the function of labeling different pouches, as I do with my compass pouch and bushcraft cook kit. But what do you think? Do you think there's any function for morale patches? Do you have any? Let me know what is the funniest or most interesting morale patch that you have. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Let me also know your thoughts on this particular wallet, and if you think it's a knockoff of the Viper Aid VE1. It probably is. But let me know if you have that wallet or you have this wallet, and share with us your thoughts. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.